Hi students, 12th standard computer application chapter 4 introduction to hypertext preprocessor. So today we are going to learn about variables in PHP and PHP data types. Variables in PHP. So PHP has variables like other programming languages, that is C, C++, Python. In all the programming languages, we use a variable concept. So what is the use of variable means? It is the storage location. That means it can store the value for later manipulation in the program. So the variables always begin with a dollar symbol, and then we used to assign a variable with the help using equal to operator. So this is used to assign a variable, and then at last end with semicolon. Now the main advantages of PHP variable declaration is it does not require to specify the data keyword. Keyword means here any integer, float, character, string. So no need to declare the keyword. So basic rules for variable declaration. The first one is already we know that. So it always begin with a dollar symbol, and then variable name can never start with a number. It can start with letters or some special characters, whatever it is, but can never start with a number. The next one is variable names are case sensitive. So here case sensitive means either in uppercase or lowercase. So always we are follow up used in a lowercase only. So now let us see the example. For example, if I declare $a is equal to 5. Here the meaning, the value 5 is stored in a variable a. So we can store the value 5 in a variable a and always end with a semicolon. So this is the declaration of a variable. PHP data type. So here PHP scripting language supports 13 data types. It supports 13 data types. So data types plays an important role in programming languages to classify the data according to the logics. So here now PHP supports these data types, that is string, integer, float, boolean, array, object, null and resource. Now let us see one by one. String data type. String is a collection of characters within single quotes or double quotes. So string, it is a collection of characters. Characters means words, letters. So here it enclosed with either in single quotes or double quotes. So now here let us see the example. PHP and then $x computer application. Here they mention the string value in double quotes, and then y variable they declare a computer within a single quotes. Then echo $x, echo br. Here echo is used to print the output, and then BR statement already we know that BR means break the line. So that means it move the next line. Then echo $y. So the output of the program is the first it print computer application. Then in the second line it print computer. So this is the use of string data type. Integer. So integer is a data type which contain non-decimal values. So the non-decimal number. Now let us see the example. Start PHP $x semicolon, and the next step they use PHP $x value, and then var dump of $x, and then question mark close tag. So integer means it is a non-decimal value. Non-decimal value means here whole value without pointing value. So here we use the concept of var dump. So var dump means it is a system defined function. It is defined in a system. It returns the structured information. Here structured information means it is type and value. So it returns the type and value of the given data. So var dump means it is a system defined function. It returns the structured information, that is type and value about the variable. So it defines what kind of value that it produces the result. The next one is a float data type. So here it is a decimal value. So integer means non-decimal value. Float means a decimal value. It contains a decimal value. Let us see the example. PHP 89 puff $x. So here it produces the decimal value, point value. So already I told var dump. So var dump function is used to return the type and value of the given variable. So this is a decimal value. The next data type is Boolean. So Boolean, it denotes the two possible values, that is either true or false. So it produces the result either true or false. Let us see the example. $x is equal to true and $y is equal to false. Echo statement, so we know it is used to print the value. So here we print only either true or false. So once again I repeat, Boolean data type, it denotes two possible states. One is true and another one is false. The next one is array data type. So array, it is a data type which has a multiple value in a single variable. We can store multiple value in a single variable. So we can store multiple values in a single variable. Now let us see the example. Question mark PHP x is equal to, we can assign array of, inside the array we can give many values, that is computer, comma. So each values are separated by comma. Laptop, mobile, pen, etc. So we can store many values within a single variable. Next one, var dump of $x and then question mark close tag. So it displays for the first one, first statement is, first string is computer, second laptop, third mobile, and next one is pen. So array means it is used to hold multiple values in a single variable. Var dump, we know that var dump function is used to dump the information about a variable. So that dump means the structured information, that is either value or number. So value and type, and then the array and object concept are used to show the structure value. The next one is object data type. So PHP object is a data type. It contains information about the data and function inside the class. So it contains the information about data and functions. So here data means it is called as a variable and functions means method, actions. So here let us see, here we are going to use a class function. So class school, then we use a value. So this is the steps to create an object. So when we create an object, we are going to call this object and we process this procedures. Then finally it produces the output. So once again I repeat, object means it is it contains the information about data and functions inside the class. So it contains inside the class functions as data. Null data type. It is a special type which contains a single value. The value is null. So PHP, then x is equal to assign computer, then another x value we assign null value, then var dump of $x. So now it considered as a null value. So it produced the output null. So it produced only the null statement. Resources. So resources, it is a specific variable. It has a reference to an external resource. So these variables hold a specific handlers to handle the file and the database connections in a respective PHP program. Now let us see the program. Here we use handle and then F open, that means a file open. We are going to open a note.txt Word document. Then R means read operation. Here we use two operations. One is either read, another one is write. So here we use a read operation. The next word dump of handle, then echo break statement, next link, MySQL connect, localhost root, then var dump $link. So here resources means it has a reference. It is used for a reference to the external variable. Thank you, students.